Cheers to the new Pepsi generation. Fully functional. The lights will work, and the wheels roll, and the shocks work, and the gun's turret will spin. Other than that, that's as functional as it's going to get. Ah. Um, I'll show you that just a second. Uh, Joy. Stay in your lane, Eddie. How to make these turrets? These also spin. I forgot. um, I think what I did, the same way that I build a ball, is the way I made these rounded dome-shaped pieces, and I built them on a turret. The turret was actually glued to the chassis. Then that let this thing become a real turret, so it spins. I had to also build the spinning barrels into the turret so that they would work also. But anyway, that's kind of how you have to make a turret. You have to have your turret stuff ahead of time. This turret is different from this one. This turret is removable because it's a big piece. You can move it around and you can take it off. These ones could not come off. They had to be made solid. And so I built the turret first so that it spun really well. Then I built the top of the turret, the dome part, over that. Then I cut the holes and manufactured the Gatling gun. That's how these things come about. You learn how to make new things. It does take a bit of practice. It's like this piece I just put in here. The reason I made that was so I put this in every time and it stays right where it's supposed to. That way I don't have to guess with gluing it in place when I get ready to mount the Gauss rifle in here. Thank you, Edric, for your question. That was a good one. Wow, I think I can actually start painting this. All right, you guys. Ah, okay. Yep. Yes. Yep, I can do that. All right, you guys. Wow, what to do? Well, I should probably... Well, I can't really mount those up yet. Goodbye, Bob. Why not? Yeah. Okay. Yes, I will do that. Okay, I will get right to that as soon as I get these pieces glued in place. I got to put these little wedges in place. And what they are going to do is, I noticed that when I was turning this around, because as you turn things around, you see different things. Well, I noticed that right here on this was two little triangle-shaped holes, one on each side. Well, the problem with that is that when the lights go in there, the light is going to shine out of them little holes. And I can't have that. So I have to put these little patches over the holes so that the light can't get out. And it's the little detail work that you do that makes your stuff stand out over everything else. What? No. No. There we go. Okay, got those in there. Yeah, I'll show that. That is a very good point. That is a good point. The Millennium Falcon, everybody, as you know, this was a 365-hour build. And now that I know what I know, I thought this took a couple hundred hours to do this. It was 365 hours. And I know that for every 100 hours is 1,000 parts. Now, this was a mistake that I made. You guys can, I do some showing off and telling. You can see that I actually built the interior, and there's 4 chairs in there, and just like in the real Falcon. Lots of greebles on this. Now, you can see these quad laser cannons. Okay, I want to show you something here. And you can take a screenshot on these and check it out. See these quad laser cannons right here? All right. They were supposed to be right here on this Falcon. But I built them before I built the Falcon. So I'm getting done with the Falcon. It's time to put the guns on. Well, I got my little hobby box and I drag out my guns, and they were too big. Okay, there you go. You can see right there. They were too big. And one of my buddies said, just put them on anyway. And I went, no, I can't do that. They're too big. And so, because I don't throw anything away, I saved these guns. Okay? And I made new ones, and I put them on the Falcon. And so what I did was, I had these quad laser cannons in my hobby box. Didn't know what I was going to do with them because I didn't know. But in my head, that's always working on things to build. And I was playing Rifts, an RPG game. And I found a couple of broken glitter boys, blown up ones. Well, I took them all apart, and I took all the parts, and I went to Titan Flying Power Armor, and well, Titan Power Armor anyway, and told them I needed a power armor built that flies, and a big one. And I explained what kind of gun I had. I wanted a boom gun. I wanted the quad laser cannons.